make a cannelloni dish.
Look what we have on the table.
You will need cannelloni.
Hi, Danny.
Hi.
1 egg.
500 grams of ricotta. Yummy cheese.
500 grams of spinach.
Yum. Of course, you need nice and tasty tomato sauce. We add garlic oil, salt and basil, and let's eat a bit.
Really
Very
good
nice.
taste. And 100 grams of parmesan.
The first step is to get a bowl and do a stuffing for our cannelloni.
But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderland.
First, we need to mince the spinach with our knife and be very careful. So let's pour it on our chopping board.
Anyway, I'm sticking to it. It seems so yummy.
When the spinach is very well cut, you add the ricotta into your bowl with spinach.
This?
I'm looking. Whoa. You can't do that.
I'm putting...
No.
Hey, come down.
Oh.
This is mine. And the last one. Let's mix it.
While Julie's keep mixing, I'm gonna crack the egg in the bowl because if any shells come out, I can take them out easily.
It has a lovely smell.
Perfect.
One shell came out.
You think it's good?
A shell came.
We get the shell out. Our egg here. Get the shell out. Done. Time to add the egg.
I'm mixing.
Woohoo! I'm gonna mix.
Okay. Mix, mix, mix.
Hear the sound.
Now we need to put 100 grams of parmesan to add more taste to our cannelloni. So I'm gonna do it.
Julie, what are you doing?
I'm tasting now. Taste well. Now let's add this nice and tasty cheese to our mixture. Danny, start mixing. Here comes cheesy. Can I
Get the other spoon. I think it's already done.
Now,
wait.
Can I try?
Get down, get down.
Yeah. That's my count.
Look what happened to our parmesan cheese.
Super Jetsy. I'm so quick.
What does super jetsy mean?
I don't know.
You jet in the sea.
Our stuffing is ready, but before to fill our cannelloni, we need to put some tomato sauce on the bottom of the oven plate.
Do 2 spoons.
3 spoons.
And there you go.
Okay, I'm gonna spread it. We need to spread it all.
Let's start to fill them.
The best part of cannelloni. Don't squeeze them because otherwise it's gonna break. Is there anyone in?
I thought this was much easier.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, it's coming.
Go down. Please, 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 please. Nanny, look at mine. So put some more on.
Top the cannelloni onto the plate so everything will go down.
Like you see, mine went down.
I'm gonna put a bit more.
I'm going to put some on top.
The first one's ready.
Filling. Please go in. I can't get this. Can you help me, Danny?
It went out. I'm gonna get it from my plate.
Yeah, there's a lot in it. Mine is nearly done. Yeah, mine's done.
I think with our hands is much easier.
Yeah, really, really much.
Who put a cannelloni in here?
Us.
It's full! Yay! And just put this there, there.
This cannelloni is perfect.
But it's broken.
I know. Yeah.
What was that sound?
It's me. Feel.
The crazy restaurant of Julie and Danny.
I don't want to say, but this is the messiest thing I've ever done.
I think the messiest thing is when we did the paint video upstairs. Half cannelloni equals one mixture. We know that now. Wait. Okay, I'm going to put this one here.
Then can you pass me one? Let's see if I can squeeze the last one. The last one! And done!
Now we can cover them with tomato sauce. I'm going to get the basil.
Ooh. And then we're going to spread it with this one. Grab one. Whoa. I'm going to cover the basil. Since that is mixing, I'm going to put some more. Lenny.
Let's swap the job now.
Nah, I love this show.
Stop.
I don't want to swap. I don't want to swap. This cannelloni dish is all ready. Now we need to put it in the oven for 35 minutes.
Preheat the oven at 200 degrees and then you can put your cannelloni dish in.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's close it.
Let's close it. Done.
If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderlab.